So today me and my group would like to present about lab work for DCC30112 Geotechnique and Highway Engineering. So the test that we're gonna carry it out is penetration test. So before we start, I would like to introduce my group member. First, we have Waybyern Liban Anak Briki. Next, we have Muhammad FAIZZUL bin Jeffrey. And then we have Muhammad NAJIB. And last but not least, me, myself, AUTHUR Naga. So, the objective for this experiment is to examine the consistency of a sample of bitumen by determining the distance in 10 of millimeter that a standard needle vertically penetrates the bitumen specimen under known condition of loading, time, and temperature. So, for the material and apparatus that we use in this test, I would like to pass the next slide to Muhammad FAIZZUL. Thank you.
Thank you, Atta. My name is Muhammad FAIZZUL and I will explain about the apparatus. The first apparatus is standard penetrometer apparatus. It is to measure the penetration of bitumen. The second one is specimen, to put bitumen in it. Next is needle, and then we have container. Next is water bath, to incubate sample at a constant temperature over a long period of time. And then we have thermometer for water bath. Last one is stopwatch. So that's all from me. Thank you. And I will pass the next slide to Muhammad Najib.
Thank you, Muhammad FAIZZUL. So my name is Muhammad Najib. So I'm going to present about the procedure. So as usual, the specimen are prepared in a sample container exactly as specified. So before that, we heat the bitumen first at 90 degrees Celsius. Then the bitumen are transferred into the container. As we can see here, the bitumen are transferred into the container. So before that, the bitumen are placed in a water bath at the prescribed temperature test for 1 to 1.5 hours. Then we take out the bitumen from the bath. So for a normal test, the precisely dimensioned needle to load it to 0.05 gram is brought to the surface of the specimen at right angles, allowed to penetrate the bitumen for 5 plus minus 0.1 second, while the temperature of the specimen is maintained at 25 plus minus 0.1 degrees Celsius. Then the penetration measured in 10 of a millimeter. So here we put the bitumen into the penometer. Then we start the last step. Make at least 3 the determination of the specimen and clean. Needle is used for each determination. So as we can see here, there are 3 determinations. So I'm just making one. This is the second determination. We start over again. We use the clean needle. So in making repeat determination, start each with the tip of the needle at least 10 millimeter from the basic, at the side of the container at least 10 millimeter apart. So this, as we can see here, this is the last step, and this is the data. So the data I will pass to my friend Waybyern to explain more about it. So thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad Najib. Hi, my name is Waybyern and I'm going to explain about the data for penetration test. As we can see, from trial number 1, number 2, and 3, the initial reading are all the same, which is 0. For final reading, trial number 1 and 2 has the same value, which is 85 mm, while trial number 3 has a value of 80 mm. Now, for penetration value, trial number 1 and 2 still has the same value of 85 mm, while trial number 3 has a penetration value of 80 mm. Okay, so in order to get average penetration value, we will need to add all penetration value and divide by 3. So the result will be 83.33 mm. Okay. The value will be suitable for road construction because according to IRC, bitumen grades 60/70 and 80/100 is suitable for bituminous macadam and penetration macadam. Hence, this sample of bitumen is suitable for road construction. So that is all from our group. Thank you.